In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location in a Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard. This is the main control center for your website where you can manage settings, content, design, and business information all in one place. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right area of the screen. You'll find the search bar there, which is a quick and convenient way to locate specific settings without having to browse through multiple menus. Click into that search bar and then type the word location. As you type, Wix will show matching options and related settings. This search feature is especially helpful if you want to save time and go straight to the section you need. When you see the relevant location setting appear, select it to open the location details area. From there, you can begin entering the information needed for your website's location. This usually includes details such as your address, country, region, city, state, zip code, street name, and any other fields Wix provides. Make sure you enter everything carefully and accurately, since this information can affect how your business or website appears to visitors. It can also be important for local visibility, contact information, and helping users understand where your website or business is based. As you fill in each field, take a moment to double-check spelling, abbreviations, and formatting. For example, using the correct zip code and city name can help keep your information consistent and professional. If your website represents a business, accurate location details can also make it easier for customers to find or trust your brand. If Wix gives you additional optional fields, complete the ones that are relevant to your site. The more complete and correct your location information is, the more polished your website will appear. Just be sure to only enter the details you want displayed or associated with the site. Once you've added all the necessary information, review everything one last time to make sure it looks right. That's really all it takes to add a location in Wix using the dashboard search tool. It's a simple process, but it's an important one if you want your site information to be accurate and well organized. And that's it. You now know how to add location details in a Wix website quickly and easily.